Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with the new routine of doing altcoin and stock videos over Bitcoin and ETH, so that way members have some private material. If you guys are interested in joining the members, feel free to DM me or join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much. Today we're looking at Bonk on a weekly time frame. We've been watching this coin for a very, very long time. RC, one of our members, will be glad to tell you that he had been trading this for a few weeks with high leverage. He made a lot of money. And then at the end of the couple weeks of making that money, he realized, hey, I think I better just hold long term and I'm going to go for big bucks. He accumulated a lot of capital around this accumulation between the yellow and the uh, yellow and the red EMA. And then finally we got that breakout. I'm going to show you guys on the lower time frames all the TA we did for it. But basically all we had mainly was a volume profile that I was guiding him on. So let's go to the daily. Here's the volume profile. We were accumulating and looking for if we were going to hit the 200 EMA or the value area low. There was a point that we were trying to short it because we were under the EMAs and we were looking for that tap, but we never got that breakdown into the value area low or the EMA break. And the support of this inverse head and shoulder held this entire run. You can see these higher lows, right? This was a little triangle that we were waiting for to break out. And it got accumulated right here on these lows. And then he did get a little bit of a leg up. But people got shooken out with this pushback. But all I was saying is like, bro, this is an inverse head and shoulder. Take a look at this as your shoulder, this as your head, and this as your Quasimodo right hand shoulder. You encompass that in a range, and this is your inverse head and shoulder. You can see it. I will change it to color. Does that make sense? Okay. So in this zone underneath the value area uh, of control and this value area low was the best long opportunity, and he did accumulate. We straddled, so he was even short and long at the same time. But there was a strategy with, hey, if we take out the nearest high, you would take out the stop, okay, at basically the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. You take out the short, you could stop loss it here, or you could stop loss it here, because this was the ultimate goal for the long anyway, was the value area high. And what we did was we just completely engulfed it, right? So anyone who had a stop loss here obviously got hit. Anyone who didn't have a stop loss here is wrecked. And the reason I had that stop loss was this previous high here that caused the tip of the triangle. Once we broke out of here, obviously now your short is done. There is no other area that I would logically take a short at other than maybe here at the swing failure pattern that caused the downturn over here at around 2730. So what I will do is I will put up a horizontal here, 20, where is that at? Wait, wait, 2730. And this would be an area to basically be aware that, like, hey, a little bit of consolidation can come here. But once you get an open close above that and you get this last wick, I mean, let's just say this. Once you have open and closes above this level, the downside will come if we lose this level again. But if you get above here, like how you did this thing, and you're having open and closes above it, it's more than likely you're looking for continuation higher, probably to take out that liquidity all the way over here. So whoever shorted and did not close their short from this is why markup is basically trying to chase you out in that sense. But if he is smart and did proper shorting, then he would probably use this level as a shorting add-on area. So that little level right there, I'm gonna make white like we did with our other charts, and we're gonna see how that reacts when price gets to that level. You can set an alert or whatever, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete all these little scribbles because it is looking very dirty, but I wanted you guys to follow that logic as to why we did what we did. You don't need any of this BS. And I'm just going to clean up the chart so then I can go over what we think is going to happen from here. Okay, so the rest of the stuff I'll leave. So right now, you can see on a daily time frame, we are actually in bullish control zone. You're looking for continuation, meaning I'm looking today's close to get above that wick. Okay, if we don't close above that wick today, we will be looking for possible turnover. Okay, and then that will be basically the after the daily close, your candle was not able to get above it. The next daily candle will open, obviously under that freaking wick. So your risk can be the wick, like a SF swing failure pattern of that wick, like basically one tick above it and then just run it down. Or you will basically not even get that high, and the new candle will open. It will just start right away retesting the last day. So you would basically get this high over here. Maybe you get to 24 and then you close the daily. The new daily candle can open and just start going straight down to go test into 2100, find support, and then break out. Okay. It doesn't need to go just straight up or straight down. Over here, they can shake a little bit of people out just going sideways here because that's what happened over here, right? Why can't we do that same shit over here before we get the next? So just be reasonable and logical, okay? Right now, though, you can see the buying is good. Today just started. I am not trying to tell you that today is the local top. If you go to the weekly, which we have 2 more days to close, you just broke out of resistance. Okay, this little thing over here was resistance. You just broke out. This is your weekly close. Can you be bearish on something like this? Are you a trader? Do you know how to trade? Do you know how to do technical analysis? Are you shorting this? You need to join my membership so I can yell at you for not doing stuff like that. At the end of the day, I'm telling you, the weekly close is going to be good. It's looking healthy right now. You got 2 more days to confirm it. The volume just started. Okay, after this it's actually a bullish volume divergence. Okay, so all this volume was buyers, and then sellers had all the opportunity to get the heck out. They didn't get out. What they did was they held, and then now buyers are taking over the power because you grinded, and now the buyers are here going like, oh, bull run and altcoin season, whatever it is, doesn't matter. The shorts got squeezed, and now the shorts are not even trying to short. So the buyers have full range to very close to go to price discovery. If you go to price discovery, you can imagine my fib even pulled? No. Okay. So I don't have a fib pulled for you guys, but I want to to. Hold on. Let me let me pull up a fib real quick, and I'm not even going to use old data. I'm going to use only new data for this fib. Um, hold on 1 second. I'm going to pause this video. All right, we are back. Okay, just want to make sure we're back. Okay. So I have this fib pulled, and as you saw that, like we were looking for this consolidation in this range. So using this range as my pull for the fib, you can see that we are basically building a support underneath this value uh, point of control, value area low, point of control, golden pocket. Basically in this range is now solid support. It's got that markup. This is like wave one to me, okay? When I do Elliott wave, all this nonsense, just ignore all this bullshit for now. Just focus right here on this consolidation. This is their them putting in the base, this rounding bottom kind of thing. You're getting this markup. Markup is basically looking for the target of here. I gave you the warning off of clean naked TA without math on these candles of this white thing, right? Once I pulled my fib is saying you want to go all the way here somewhere. You're going to do like some kind of distributional pattern here, and then you'll look for the next leg up if you want to do it. So we're coming into this zone right over here. and then that zone is fighting this. So I'm gonna assume we're gonna go come close to this, come back down, make it look like a double top fake out, whatever. Find support over here at 27, and then break out to the next three levels, 39 and whatnot. And if you look at higher time frame, you can see that that is logical because you were basically this whole freaking long consolidation turned into one order block. And this is now the official bullish order block for Bonk into the future as to wherever it goes from here. Just remember this video, guys, and yeah, let me know if I was right or not. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. Thank you, guys. Have a great one, and trade carefully.